The Spanish democracy is based on the Spanish Constitution. The Spanish Constitution is the most important law in our country. It was passed in 1978 and it was approved in a popular vote, a referendum that was held the 6th of December 1978. That's why we celebrate every 6th of December the Constitution Day. The Constitution is so important because it sets the basic rules of our social coexistence in Spain. Very importantly, the Constitution includes our rights as Spanish citizens. And these rights are not all equal. There are civil rights, political rights, and socio-economic rights acknowledged in the Constitution, and they are different. Let me explain this difference to you. The civil rights protect your freedom. They are things that the state cannot do to you, forbidden things. For example, the state, the government, cannot kill you, and that's why we have the right to life, meaning that nobody can kill you, not even the police, not even the government, even if you do something terrible. You have your right to life. And this right is there to protect your freedom, because if the state could kill you, you would not be free. Some other very important civil rights that are included in the Spanish Constitution are the right not to be discriminated against, the right to free expression, the right to free thought, the right to own your private property, the right to free marriage, etc. Political rights are different. Political rights protect another value. In this case, the value is participation in society. And political rights, which are also included in the Constitution, include the right to vote if you are over 18 and a Spanish citizen, or the right to create a political party. They also include the right to protest in the streets in order to show your political opinions. This is called the right to free assembly, the right to participate in a demonstration, for example. Finally, the Constitution also includes socio-economic rights. These rights protect your equality, and they are things that the state must give you for free. Let me give you an example. Education is a socio-economic right. Education is very expensive. You have to pay the salaries of the teachers, for example. But the state pays that for you. You don't have to pay to go to school because the Constitution says that basic education will be free for every Spanish citizen. And why is that? Imagine you had to pay in order to go to school. Then only people with money could go to school. We would not be equal. In order to protect our equality, it is necessary that the government pays for your education and also for your health. So health is also a socioeconomic right, and also social security, which includes the pensions for people who are retired or the economic financial help for unemployed people who lost their jobs. So we have a lot of rights, and they are included in the Constitution, which is the most important law in our country. But the Constitution also says that Spanish citizens have duties. Of course, we not only have rights, we also have obligations. The first one, and the most important, is the obligation to respect other people's rights, of course. But the Constitution also includes specific obligations of Spanish citizens. They are our civic duties, our obligations as citizens. For example, we have the duty to pay our taxes because they are necessary to provide for social services such as health or education. The Constitution also says that we have the obligation to help people in case of catastrophe, of a very important emergency. And we also have the duty to defend Spain, to defend democracy if it is in danger.